The Typhoon PVO, a Russian-made air defense vehicle, is garnering significant attention from African nations due to its ability to address the region's evolving security needs. As global military technologies advance, Africa finds itself increasingly vulnerable to various airborne threats, such as drones and low-flying missiles, often employed in asymmetric warfare. With this backdrop, the Typhoon PVO stands out as a versatile, mobile defense system that could potentially transform the air defense capabilities of several African countries. At the IDX 2025 Defense Exhibition in Abu Dhabi, Vyacheslav Dzurkhin, Deputy General Director of the Almazanti Air Defense Concern, highlighted the interest that African nations have shown in this system. According to Dzurkhin, these countries are particularly focused on deploying the Typhoon PVO in localized conflicts where large-scale air threats are not as prevalent. Instead, their primary concern lies in defending against smaller, more tactical threats such as drones and limited aerial attacks, which the Typhoon PVO is specifically designed to counter. The Typhoon PVO is a sophisticated air defense vehicle that integrates 9 MANPADS, man-portable air defense systems, including the Verba system. The Verba can target high-speed threats up to 420 meters per second, with a range extending from 500 to 6,000 meters and an altitude ceiling of 3.2 kilometers. These features make the Typhoon PVO an ideal solution for engaging a wide range of aerial threats, including those from both modern aircraft and drones. In addition to its primary MANPAD systems, the vehicle also carries a 12.7 mm cord machine gun that provides additional firepower in a variety of combat scenarios. The vehicle was developed by the Izhevsk electromechanical plant QPOL, with backing from the Almazanti Group. Its design was influenced by the need for enhanced mobility and protection for MANPADS operators. Prior to the Typhoon PVO, such operators relied on standard military vehicles, which were not optimized for the rapid deployment of air defense systems. The Typhoon PVO, based on the KAMAZ 4386 chassis, a variant of the Typhoon-VDV platform used by Russian airborne forces, provides improved protection, maneuverability, and flexibility. It also benefits from the ability to integrate with other air defense systems like the Tor M2, creating a multi-layered defense network that can engage a wide array of aerial threats. The vehicle has demonstrated its capabilities in multiple international defense exhibitions, including Aero India 2025 and the World Defense Show in Saudi Arabia. Its versatility was also tested in the 2019 Clear Sky competition in China, where Russian crews completed a 9.5-kilometer obstacle course in under 44 minutes, showcasing its speed and efficiency in both urban and mountainous environments. These successful demonstrations have solidified the Typhoon PVO's reputation as a reliable mobile defense platform. Currently, the Typhoon PVO is being promoted for export, with potential buyers in Africa, the Commonwealth of Independent States (CIS), and Asia-Pacific countries. African nations in particular are attracted to the vehicle's mobility, flexibility, and cost-effectiveness, especially as many countries in the region grapple with evolving aerial threats. The increasing use of unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs) and low-cost drones by militant groups has exposed significant gaps in the region's air defense capabilities. Many African militaries continue to rely on older Soviet-era systems that lack the modern capabilities necessary to defend against these new threats. In regions such as the Sahel, Horn of Africa, and Central Africa, where insurgencies and armed conflicts are ongoing, mobile and rapidly deployable air defense systems like the Typhoon PVO are in high demand. Nations such as Nigeria, Egypt, and Algeria have been exploring new air defense solutions to protect against regional adversaries and non-state actors using drones for reconnaissance and strikes. Additionally, as African countries look to diversify their defense suppliers, there is a growing interest in alternatives to traditional sources such as Russia and France, with Chinese and Turkish defense companies becoming more prominent in the region. The Typhoon PVO's modular design and affordability make it an attractive option for many African states, which are prioritizing air defense solutions that can be integrated into existing military frameworks without requiring significant infrastructure overhauls. Its ease of transport, thanks to its relatively light weight of around 14 tons, further enhances its appeal for countries seeking flexible, adaptable defense solutions. In conclusion, the Typhoon PVO represents a critical step forward in the development of mobile, versatile air defense systems that can address the specific needs of African nations in the context of modern warfare. With its combination of mobility, firepower, and adaptability, it offers a potential solution to the growing threat posed by drones and other small-scale aerial attacks in regions experiencing prolonged conflict and instability.